How to change PLDT Wi-Fi password. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Let me move into one of the official article, which is gonna guide you with the step-by-step process on how you can change PLDT Wi-Fi password. So this is one of the article which is gonna guide you and help you out. The very first thing you wanna do is to head over to any of the browser and then type in this provided statement. Once done, enter admin as a default user and 1234 as a default password. To change your Wi-Fi name, go to the basic, then tap on wireless LAN settings. Once you have changed the name, the next thing you want to do is to change your Wi-Fi password. Go to wireless LAN settings once again, select security, and go to encryption or security mode and select WPA2 mixed. Go to the pre-shared key and type your preferred Wi-Fi password in the box provided. After that, your Wi-Fi password will be changed successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video is helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.